Hey guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Sun's coming out, the weather's warming up, it's time to get out camping. If you've got a smaller tow rig, a smaller SUV, or a smaller pickup, and a lot of people to sleep, this may be your answer. This is a 2019 Rockwood 1950 tent trailer. On this side out here, you've got some cool benefits. You've got just access into your freshwater tank there. This, I'll show you inside, is this unit has a bathroom in it. You've got an outside shower out here. Walking around the back, you've got a nice spare tire on the back where it's easy to get to. They don't hide it underneath the trailer, so if you have a flat, you're crawling around on the ground. On this side, on the outside, you got this nice rail here. This unit comes with a barbecue and a little table that'll attach onto this rail, and you can run it off of this propane connection that is tied into your front main tanks. So you don't have to bring a separate barbecue. It's in the trailer. Come on inside and take a look. Inside, you got a nice king-size bed up front, lots of counter space. Here, you've got a little fridge down here on the bottom. We do have a bathroom in this unit. This lifts up and you've got nice toilet. There is a shower curtain that attaches up here to these snaps, so you can take a shower in it as well. Moving back, more storage, nice drawers down here, more counter space, 3-burner stove, which is nice. And the best thing about these Rockwoods is the way they hinge this cabinet, this sink. You do have a couple drawers in here, but if you're storing silverware and stuff, most of them have a piano hinge here, so it flips over upside down. This one stays level as it goes down, so all of that stuff in your drawer or whatever you may have stored in the sink can stay in there. In the back of the trailer, you've got a nice double-sized bed back there and a nice sized dinette here that does fold out into a bed. Another big thing with these is the fantastic fan. We order all of ours with the fantastic fan included. Those move a lot of air. So again, this is a 2019 Rockwood. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have in stock, give me a call. My name's Casey, 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.